Today I'm going to take you through a brief tutorial on how to sign up for your account on ChemThink. ChemThink is an independent website that was designed by a teacher to be able to help students understand specific concepts in chemistry. It's a great resource, so I apologize that you have to start another account, but it'll really be worthwhile in the long run. So you go to the page www.chemthink.com and you're going to go into the login page. You look here to the right. Since you've not registered, click on the Not Registered tab and you're going to enter the code that your teacher gave you below. That's located, there's an image of it directly below this video on this page. So on this particular one, I'm going to put in the code that will be starting. It could very well be different for you, so don't pay attention to the particular code as much as how you put it in. And this is the code that was started at one time. It may or may not work for you. So be sure to look in the paper below. So once you hit register, you'll say, great, I'm going to go ahead and put in my name. This is going to be student. And last name this is test student. My username, why don't you just go ahead and use the one that you use for your school one. It'll just make life a lot easier. So mine that I log into the network would be the B.Wellman ONW, and that's what I would use. Password, be sure you put your password in there, and so that I might have this password there and you have it logged in. Just select your period, what hour of class you have chemistry. So if you have any hour 2, click there, and then boom, then you're registered in. Not a big deal. Now you go in as a registered user, your username, go ahead and you can log in and you should be set. Now you have it and you'll show up. Now notice when you look in here, I've already put in an activity. The first one that you'll be doing at the start of this year will be particulate nature questions or particulate nature tutorial. The best thing to always do is use the tutorial first. So you can do the tutorial, these are the assigned ones, but you can skim through and do any of these down here yourself whenever you want to. So the one that's assigned is the nature. What'll happen is in the particulate nature of matter, you're going to go through and look how it tells you how many slides are here, and you can go through and read them. The biggest thing that when you do these tutorials is that you're going to have to interact. Like here, you've got to click on a particular one. So let's click on the penny, and it's going to go through and take you through the tutorial. Remember that you have to complete these activities, and I will know by the login page what time you completed it and how much time you took. The other thing is when you're doing a particular one with the questions, you have to be sure that you're paying attention for those. So if you're ever in doubt about where you are, you can check your, I'm going to go ahead and leave this one. So particular nature, I've attempted it once, but I just haven't finished it. So you can always record to see, hey, did I get credit for it? If you were required to have credit for it, it should show up here when it was completed. Okay, hope you have fun, and ChemThink is going to be a great tool we're going to use for quite a bit of the year.